They didn't get fired, they weren't forced out. They saw something through their telescope, took off their headset, and never came back to work again. And these are 4 real stories shared by scientists themselves that NASA never officially explained. The first one comes from a former data analyst at the Deep Space Network in California, who posted on Reddit that at 3:17 a.m., he was monitoring a dead zone where there should be nothing. But his screen picked up a perfect repeating pattern, blocking the light of distant stars behind it. Like something massive, 400 times bigger than Earth, was moving between us and them. And when he called his supervisor, he was told to log it as equipment error and go home. So he went home and emailed his resignation at 6 a.m., saying, "I don't want to know what's standing between us."
The second story is from a former ISS contractor whose job was to listen to astronaut audio feeds. And one night, an astronaut on a solo spacewalk reported hearing 3 slow knocks from outside his suit, even though there is no sound in space. And when the contractor pulled the original audio, he heard the same 3 knocks. But the next day, that file was gone from the server, replaced by 4 hours of static. So he quit the next morning, writing, "If there's no air in space, what carried the sound?" The third story is from a woman who worked on lunar reconnaissance orbiter images, mapping craters, and she found one on the far side of the moon whose shadow never moved, no matter where the sun was. And when she enhanced it, she saw perfect 90-degree angles inside that shadow, which never happens in nature. And after she flagged it as Anomaly 17, her access was revoked, and she was told her project was reassigned. So she quit that night and posted the coordinates, which are now blurred, on Google Moon. And the fourth and scariest one was posted 11 months ago by a former intern at a radio observatory in Chile who was watching the TRAPPIST-1 system, where we have found Earth-like planets. And suddenly, one of the planets just disappeared. The light from the star was still there, but the dip that shows a planet crossing was gone, like someone switched it off. And 14 minutes later, it came back, but slightly off orbit, as if it had been moved. And when they replayed the official data, the disappearance was gone.
But he had screen recorded it on his phone and posted it, and it got 40,000 upvotes before it was deleted. And he quit the next day, saying, "We are not observing the universe. Something is observing us and hiding the evidence." Follow Nexora Science for mind-blowing science.